brands who are ready to pay right now.
Right.
So it's like, if the thing is that if you want to talk to me so bad and I'm taking the time out to call you, it's because Jordan said that you are a really warm lead. And I decided to call you because you're saying that you made $300,000 last year and you're not running ads right now. The problem is not us. The problem is not our price. The problem is your limiting belief that you can't make more money. Because now you've set this limiting belief on yourself that you can only make $300,000 a year and that's it. You have set that. The only way for you to get past that is by you spending money. Like, I hate to say that, but that's the game.
To be honest with you, a lot of the money that I made wasn't because of the website. It was because I did a lot of trade shows too.
So then why the fuck would you stop doing trade shows?
Well, because when COVID hit and I stopped doing the trade shows, which kind of limited.
Okay, COVID just stopped. I'm hearing excuses. Like, I'm a very straight to the point person, man. Like, I'm going to tell you like it is. I have people who literally pay me just to yell at them. I'm not even kidding you. Like,
You seen my website? You seen my product?
yes, I have seen it. Yes, I looked.
You don't have no doubt that you can get a big.
I can help you if you, dude. I can't help you if you can't help your fucking self, man.
Well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna make sure. That's what I'm saying. When I get them, I pay them. You'll be able to help me.
Well, honestly, man, I'd rather just put you in the lower tier. Because the 4,000 you should be getting for 2,500 without email and SMS, not the 3,500. I'm not even going to take more money from you. You shouldn't even be in that program because it's going to require way more ad spend off the rip. That's more for business owners who are doing over 50K a month. So I'd rather see you get into the growth for the 2,500 a month at that discount. And then once we prove your concept, then we give you email and SMS afterwards.
So you're saying everybody that go on the website, they won't be getting like messages saying, hey, you got this.
No, that's automated. We already have apps for that. The emails are just for daily blasts, but for brands that have a shit ton of emails, it's worth it. But you don't have a ton of consistent lead flow right now, so I'm not even going to take the extra money from that. So we should just get you in the $2,500 a month one instead, and then you go from there.
And that still helps me get leads and sales.
Yes, it does. It just doesn't have email. That's just daily blast. Jordan's just trying to be a sales guy. That's what he's trying to do. But I don't.
It's just the daily blast of people's. You got to build the list up first.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. But most of the people who take email and SMS have 20, 30,000 emails and they're seasoned. They're getting 20 to 50 buyers a day. They're getting people in their pipeline every single hour. It's worth it to them because it makes them a good ROI.
Now, let me ask you one more question, then I'm going to be done with you because I know the time. Is it cool for me to, because right now I don't have it. Right now I'm just starting to get product on hand. Is it better for me to have product on hand?
We're not going to be done with all your landing page and stuff until our 21-day launch.
Okay, so it's going to take 3 weeks to even get started.
Yeah, we're trying to build a business, not a fucking lemonade stand. Come on, dude. You're saying some stupid shit right now. I could rip you apart right now.
Yeah, I know that. So that's what I said. So basically, if you start today, it's going to take 3 weeks to build everything. So that even if I get new products, you can take that and start promoting those as well.
Yes, but you have to communicate and collab with us, man. Like, we're not fucking mind readers.
Right. So if I say, hey, I got a sweatshirt that's coming out. I got Chad Ochocinco on this podcast. You can take that.
Yes, we can. But you got to communicate. You got to be patient with us, bro. I mean, you got to understand. Shit takes time.
Okay. So in the first month, I probably won't get any sales, but at least
no, that's not what I said. We're getting you launched in those first, it's just on average that we say 21. Sometimes it takes people 10 days to get launched, 14, 18. We just say 21 to cover our ass in case anybody freaks the fuck out. Because we've had people who don't have any patience because they have a lot of trauma from their childhood and they don't want to wait 21 days. So
I got an underwear line that I have already done, but what I was going to do with that is launch it, and for every pair, I was going to try to do a thing where every time somebody buy a pair, I can give a pair away to them. But now if I do ads, I don't have to give away shit.
I mean, that's a good thing.
But I don't have to give away shit.
Well, no shit. Why would you want to give away stuff? This isn't a charity. The fuck? Come on, dude.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to slip out there.
Okay. I can take your info right now, and then I'll get you your links for onboarding. I got a couple minutes here. Okay. Let me just pull this stuff up real quick. You got 5 minutes?
Yeah, I got 5 minutes.
Okay.
My thing is, I want to be ahead of the competition, and I think the only way I can get ahead to do that.
I understand. You just gotta, like, here's the thing, man. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and sell you some fucking dream. Like, that's not my goal. Okay? This is not a dream. This is not like a, oh my God, you're gonna be fucking rich. Like, no. Okay? If that's what you think it is, like, that's not the best angle.
Whoever was in the DM, you and him saying I should at least be making 50 to 70K a month off of it.
I mean, once you harness the power of paid ads, that is once you harness it. Okay? Business owners can take X amount of time to figure that out. It does take time, man. I'm just setting an expectation right now. You're not going to be fucking buying a Ferrari in 90 days. Okay? You need to understand that for you to be able to harness cold traffic visitors and turn them into hungry buyers takes a lot of fucking time. It took me, not trying to freak you out, but like, people are all different. Me personally, it took me about maybe, I think, 4.5 to 6 months to get it dialed in to do the numbers that I'm doing. Now, obviously, you're not doing the numbers that I'm doing, but it takes a fuck ton of time to really harness it. And then once you start making more money, then what do you have to do? You have to then, well, no, you have to see, this is where I get into really advanced shit, is that you have to then build SOPs around what made you more money. Now you have to negotiate with suppliers. Now you have to hire people underneath you. You have to hire creators. You have to pay for influencer marketing. You got to hire a fucking tax person. You got to, like, dude, there's way more to the game. Like, no offense, making 300 grand a year, it's not a crazy amount, but once you start making over 7 figures, you are in a whole new ball game of just fucking shit.
Yeah, that's what my uncle said. My uncle was saying, he's like, my uncle is Steve Harvey. So he was telling me about it. I heard, like,
Wait, whoa, slow the fuck down. Wait a second. Your uncle is Steve Harvey?
yeah, I'm named that to him. My name is Roderick Harvey. His name is Broderick Harvey. His name is Broderick Stephen Harvey. Go look on my page. I got family pictures of hanging out with him and riding on golf carts.
Okay, here's my deal to you. All I would ask for is that if I take you to where you want to be and I start getting you results, if we can get them on a podcast.
It's easy. I just hooked him up with the biggest podcast he ever did was On Your Leisure.
Oh, I know who that is. Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, I hooked him up with that. And he's doing a seminar with him in Atlanta with Tyler Perry.
Okay, cool. I love it. All right, cool.
He's one of them hard uncles. He's like, look, go out and see if you can do this yourself first. Like, let me see you make some.
Well, that's what I did. I had to go prove the concept on my own, dude. My parents were like, dude, you're not living here and figuring that shit out.
He doesn't, because he don't, you know, he's an old school guy. So he's like, I'm not going to give you no money. You show me you can make that on your own.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Dude, that's awesome. I love it.
But yeah, I can. That's an easy thing. If he see me making, I go to him and show him, hey, these are the guys that helped me do what you said you wanted me to do. Here it is, and blah blah blah. He loves it.
Yeah. I mean, dude, you had the celebrities behind it. I have no doubt in my mind that I can make this work. You have a lot of fucking influence. It's a lot of social proof. It's something that I think that will very much set you apart. So
I just look at my page and be like, and then my competitor is a guy named Rich Fresh. He sells the same tracksuits I have.
Well, that's what we're going to ask you during your onboarding. Chris has the form where you're going to put that link in for the competitor because you use that just for research reasons.
So here's the thing. He's got the celebrities as well, the big ones. Because he only caters to celebrities. For $4,000 for a tracksuit, who the fuck gonna buy it?
Yeah, but here's the thing, though, is that probably took him years and years and years of all the connections and whatnot. And also,
well, he lives in LA.
Well, that will do it. I mean, not saying that I would move to LA personally. I fucking hate Los Angeles.
So I just see a lot of my ads, people edit saying, oh, that's a fake Rich Fresh. That's, you know what I'm saying? Because he has that name and that space for that.
But don't worry about that. Dude, you know how much hate I get on my ads? Dude, people tell me to kill myself. I mean, you're going to get shit no matter what the hell you do.
Yeah.
Like, dude, I literally have people who... Dude, I've had people DM me, like, a fucking photo of them, like, holding a gun and being like, I'm going to shoot you. Like, dude, like, people are fucking wild, man. Like, welcome to the United States. All right. So, what email? Okay, starstruckclothing@icloud.com. Is that the right email?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what is the actual legal name on the card? Is it Rod Harvey, or what's your actual legal name?
Roderick Harvey.
Okay. Is it ROD?
ERICK.
ERICK. Okay, and then are you using Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or Amex?
I think it's a MasterCard. Hold on one second.
Okay. Okay. All right. And then just so I'm going over this, just to set the right expectations, this is the 2,500, not the 3,500. Okay. And then like Jordan talked to you about the 3 months, you don't pay that all up front, obviously, but that's just your obligation. Okay. And then, I'm going to send you.
You think in 3 months I would have made something?
I mean, yes, bro. I mean, that's why we do we had to do 90 days because we had people go month to month and we weren't able to get them results fast enough in just the first 30 days. It's so hard to do that, man. Like, you got to understand that I'm being practical. I'm setting a transparent expectation. This is not, I'm not sitting here.
I want this smoke up my ass and then everything on bad too.
Well,
I want to listen to real shit.
yeah, well, that's why I'm giving it to you that way because, dude, I don't have a lot of people who are angry at what I do because I'm going to tell you like it is. Like, you're not going to be fucking rich. Okay, like this is about the long term growth of the business. I'm just not going to sit here and say that. And I like, yeah, has it hurt my sales? Of course it has, because people who want me to fucking tell them that are not the right clients anyway. Like, it's just not the way the world works, man. If that was the case, we wouldn't be in a fucking recession right now. So,
And I just like it because, I mean, hell, you get on Instagram, you post something on Instagram, wait for results. You're still posting to the same people. And Instagram is, just because you got 80,000 followers, they're not going to let 80,000 people see your shit.
yeah. But you know what, man? That's why paid ads are becoming such a big niche right now for me. Like, our business is growing because people are realizing that organic's dead. Like, it just is. The only way for you to really make more from organic is by either paying for followers and like these celebrity giveaways, or what you do is that you are hitting TikTok very heavily because TikTok has a big blue ocean right now for organic. TikTok, you can do very well with that. But if you want a faster way to amplify results than paid ads, that's why a lot of business owners are trying to harness the power of that right now. So, all right, cool.